The second thing is your company itself needs to be set up in the right way to achieve diversity. The right tools, for example. So, something we often hear about some of our customers and customers of other products is you can achieve diversity by enabling communication through different forums or channels. So, we often see certain people of specific backgrounds or certain backgrounds aren't heard as well in meetings because they don't speak up. Perhaps other people talk over them. They don't ask them for their opinions. So if all your decisions are made and all your discussion occurs in meetings, you're going to completely wipe out all that diversity and all those great ideas. So what about other channels? Can they Slack? Can they use Slack to chat? Can they comment on a meeting note in Hugo? Can they add to the specification for the work in your project management tool? Can they record a quick video asynchronously where they can share their ideas and what they're passionate about, which they didn't feel comfortable knocking on your door about or raising in a meeting? You need the tools to enable diversity. So that hiring approach and that tooling approach is how we've done it at Hugo.